Welcome back to our channel today. We dive into the incredible journey outlined in the book From Zero to Millionaire. This is not just a book. It's a roadmap for anyone looking to transform their life and achieve financial independence. Whether you're starting with nothing or looking to optimize your current financial habits, this book offers actionable advice, real-life examples, and practical strategies to help you build wealth. So sit back, take notes, and let's explore how you can go from zero to millionaire. 1. The foundation. Understanding wealth. The first step to becoming a millionaire is understanding what wealth truly means. The book emphasizes that wealth isn't just about money. It's about freedom, security, and the ability to live life on your terms. It challenges common misconceptions like associating wealth with luck or privilege, and instead focuses on discipline, mindset, and smart decisions. The author stresses the importance of starting with a clear financial goal. What does financial freedom mean to you? Define it, visualize it, and make it your mission. Building the millionaire mindset. Success starts in the mind. The author explains that a millionaire mindset is rooted in discipline, optimism, and resilience. They highlight the need to break free from limiting beliefs, such as money is the root of all evil or rich people are greedy. Instead, the book encourages embracing thoughts like, wealth is a tool for good and abundance is achievable for everyone. Cultivating habits like delayed gratification, strategic planning, and lifelong learning are essential to transforming your financial trajectory. The power of savings and budgeting. One of the core lessons in the book is the importance of saving and budgeting. The author breaks down the 50-30-20 rule, which allocates 50% of your income to necessities, 30% to discretionary spending, and 20% to savings and investments. They also stress the importance of an emergency fund and the need to avoid unnecessary debt. Remember, every penny saved is a step closer to financial freedom. Smart investing. The key to growth. Savings alone won't make you a millionaire. You need to make your money work for you. The book provides a comprehensive guide to investing, including stocks, mutual funds, real estate, and even entrepreneurship. It emphasizes starting early to take advantage of compound interest and diversifying your portfolio to minimize risk. The author also advises against emotional investing and recommends a long-term approach. Multiple streams of income to build true wealth. Relying on a single source of income isn't enough. The book discusses the importance of diversifying income streams, such as starting a side hustle, investing in rental properties, or creating passive income sources like royalties or dividends. This not only accelerates wealth creation, but also provides financial stability during uncertain times. Overcoming setbacks and staying motivated. No journey is without challenges, and the path to becoming a millionaire is no exception. The book shares inspiring stories of individuals who faced setbacks but persevered through determination and strategic adjustments. The author emphasizes the importance of learning from failures, staying focused on your goals, and surrounding yourself with supportive and like-minded individuals. Giving back. The true purpose of wealth. Finally, the book highlights the importance of using your wealth for good. True fulfillment comes not just from financial success, but from making a positive impact on others. Whether it's through charity, mentoring, or creating opportunities for others, giving back creates a legacy that goes beyond money. From Zero to Millionaire is more than just a financial guide. It's a blueprint for personal and professional transformation. It teaches us that wealth is attainable for anyone willing to put in the effort, make smart choices, and stay consistent. If you're ready to take control of your financial future, this book is a must-read. So, what's stopping you from starting your journey to financial freedom? Let us know your thoughts in the comments below, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insights into personal growth and success. Until next time, keep striving, keep growing, and remember, the journey to $1 million starts with a single step. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.